horses out. We have Win Lane past the begin, moving a party out. So now Bumblebee. Iconic comes next, then followed by Okoboy, Wild Wind getting better. Owaki, Elgin and Sherman, and Bohemian Dave is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Win Lane leads the way by about 2 lengths. Bumblebee moving a party outside to take second is Okoboy. Iconic also moving up by Drell, Wild Wind. Then comes getting better Owaki, Elgin and Sherman second last, and Bohemian Day trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Win Lane still in front by Oralenka. Okoboy in second, moving a party out, so now Iconic. Bumblebee now racing in fourth, Wild Wind moving up, getting better Owaki, Elgin and Sherman and Bohemian Dave. And it's still Win Lane by about 2 lengths. Okoboy in second, and on the outside moving up Bumblebee, Wild Wind, then followed by Owaki as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Win Lane by about 4 lengths. Bumblebee in second, in between horses is Okoboy moving up, Bohemian Dave, Elgin and Sherman. And nearing the finish line, we have Win Lane followed by Elgin and Sherman, Bohemian Dave, and finally Win Lane, Elgin and Sherman, Bohemian Dave, then comes Bumblebee, Okoboy.
Galing ng